Hello my friends and welcome in the video number 3 of the series of SK strategy. Okay, briefly let's remember what we talked about in the last videos. We say that the shape in front of you is called sequence of SK and we draw point 0, A, B and there is a TB area or take profit area. And we said that we will draw the square instead of the levels of Fibonacci, and then we will remove Fibonacci, okay, to make it easy. And we used Elliott waves to draw the sequence 0, A and B and the take profit area C. And we also talked about two conditions to approve the SK sequence. First one is that B level mustn't break zero level. It was our first condition. And the second was that the B level must break A level. And once this happened, we say that the SK sequence is activated. Okay? And that's all we know about the SK till this moment. So let's take a new step in our strategy and start with the new informations of today. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start. Okay, as you see, there is two SK sequence according to informations of first and second video. This called SK sequence. Okay, what is the new? I have surprised you. These two shapes aren't SK. One of them are SK and the second isn't. According to your previous information, the two shapes are SK sequences. So, what is the reason that will make one of them is SK and the other isn't? We have a tool called Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. You can click star to make it in your tools bar. Okay, it consists of 2 points, 0 and A. Not like the Fibonacci extension, it was consist of 3 points. And we will make changes in the values, so you can click setting and make the values like you see. So all the numbers in front of you must be written in your Fibonacci retracement setting, okay, as you see. And of course you can change the colors like you want. Let's keep going. Make sure you have changed all setting like in front of you, okay. So what we need from the Fibonacci extension in the case of up sequence, you draw the first point at 0 level and the second at A, okay. And now we have a new area. As we learned, we get our square and draw it instead of the levels and remove Fibonacci retracement to make it easy for your eyes. So I will get my square and draw it in the levels like you see, and then we will remove the Fibonacci extension. Okay, what we need from this area? Our new conditions of today is that the B point must touch this area, okay. B point may break it as we talked in the last video and may equal to as the 0 point, but at least it must touch the retracement area. Okay, what about the second case? As you see, you draw the retracement from 0 to A, and we will draw the square instead of levels of retracement area to remove the Fibonacci retracement. As you see, there is no touching between B point and the retracement area. And if you remember in the beginning of the video, we said it's not a SK sequence. Ah, okay, now I can understand why it's not a SK sequence. Okay, let's talk about the down shape or down sequence. As you see, we have three SK sequence according to the previous videos. Okay, we will draw the retracement and let's test our new condition to see if the movements in front of you are SK sequence or not. Okay, you will draw the retracement and sure you save. You will draw your square to remove Fibonacci retracement. Okay, as you see in the first shape or first movement, there is a touching between B and the retracement area, so it's a sequence, and the second is sequence. But in the third case, it's not a SK sequence because there is no touching between B and the retracement area. So you can go now and check your previous analysis and see if all the SK sequence you have found in the chart are true SK or not according to our new condition. And now it's the end point of our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and see you in the next video.